how do we ensure that we engage, yes, in civic activities like voting and all these political stuffs, but still not let that one destroy the interaction between us, or destroy the relationship between us as a people?
I think when it continuously saddens me, especially in the political sphere, that we still struggle with intolerance. I think that's very unfortunate. I think it's important for everyone to remember in churches, we will have differing opinion in our communities, in our families. As a nation, we will always have differing opinion. It's important to remember that the things that unite us, the things that we have in common as a people are so many compared to the things that we differ in. And remember that even though we may have differing opinion, political positions, political inclinations, that we need to tolerate each other.